Okay, hello, welcome. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you to increase your English, expand your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's have a look at suffixes today, as they are a few letters that go at the end of a word to give it new meaning. It is worth understanding that some words accept more than one suffix to give it a different meaning each time. This meal is tasty. This meal tastes good. Tasty, taste. The joke was good. It was tasteful and good quality. It was quite tasteless and annoyed people, that joke. Tasteless, tasteful. Tasty, tastes. Oh. Spelling rules. If the root word ends consonant, vowel, consonant, then the last letter is doubled before we add the suffix. So consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant times 2. Occurrence. Okay. If the root word ends in E, then we drop it, but the word ends GE or CE are the exception. Debate, debatable. Manage, manageable. Debatable, manageable. Yeah. If the root word ends in Y, then it's changed to an I, except when it ends ing. Plenty, plentiful. Apply, applying, applying. If the root word ends in Y, then the final Y is unchanged. Employ, employable. Welcome aboard. Yeah. So let's look at 36 different suffixes. Able, possible to do something. The lion is untamable. Do not approach. Able, can't be done. How teachable are you? That wall is quite climbable. And full, full of. Buying silver is a useful endeavour. Useful. Teaching English is very useful for YouTube. There are plentiful choices. Plentiful choices for you and I. Food. Ist, someone who. He's a bit of a fascist, and she is a bit of a communist. Oh. Ist, nihilist. I'm not sure what else there is. Socialist. Ist. Less, without. Do not be so tactless when it comes to dealing with people. Tactless, hopeless, fruitless. Oh, hopeless, hopeless. Not going to happen. Then you have 8, to become. Try pressing this button. It may activate it. Yeah, activate. 8, try pressing I had one, but I just forgot it. I had one just now, but I forgot it. But activate or demonstrate. I'm going to demonstrate how to learn English. Yeah. And dumb. A place or state of being. This is my kingdom, and I am its king. I am in the kingdom of hope. Kingdom. Palacedom. Queendom. What else is there? Dumb. Okay. En. Become. It's a good idea to widen the M25, a motorway where you drive, Hong Kong. It is good to shorten, narrow, narrowen. No, just narrow. Shorten, make it long. Short. Yeah. And ity, having the qualities of. Equality is something that has been searching for. Ity. What else is there? Ity. Duplicity. Ity. Very, very unusual. IZE, to make. Britain became industrialized in the middle of the 1700s. Industrial, industrialized. Or infanticize, like to be thinking about. IZE, infanticize. He's infanticized of her. Can't stop thinking about her. Wow. Yeah. MENT, the condition of or act of. I think my investment into REIT is well founded. MENT, meant. Yeah. Aus, having qualities of. The snake is quite venomous, or venom, venomous, venomous. Disastrous, qualities of a disaster. No, no, not what you want. Why? Characterized by. The food was very tasty. Very naughty. Very. I'm trying to think. With Y at the end. High. Colourful, naughty. Bitey. Bitey. Nom nom. Nom nom. Characterized by his bitiness. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So suffixes change word classes, as certain suffixes can only be used with certain kinds of words. So able or able, comfortable, manageable, sensible. They can only be used with certain kinds of words. AL, IAL, accidental, controversial, seasonal. The months are seasonal. Summer, spring, winter, autumn. Oh, yeah, yeah. EN, golden, made of gold. Wooden, made of wood. Woolen, made of wool. Or cotton, EN, cotton, cotton. Cotton is normal. Cotton, yeah. Full, powerful, powerful, useful, very useful. Very useful this is. Yeah. Wonderful, wow. Wow, wonderful. Or tick, ickle, historic, poetic, radical, radical, historic, like you go down in history, 2020, 2021, 2030, poetic, to be or not to be is the question. Yes, well, there's more than that. Less, harmless, powerless, tasteless, harmless, oh, powerless, nothing you can do, oh, tasteless, horrible food. OUS, continuous, oh, famous, everyone knows who I am, famous and outrageous, an outrage, outrageous behavior. And why? Characterized by cloudy, funny, stormy, bitey, cutie, what a real cutie. Not quite, but yeah, pretty good. But then we have some verbs. Verbs, 8. Activate, debate, inflate, activate, debate, inflate, and en, brighten, like imagine having a light like this, brighten, wow, sweeten, sweeten, mwah, nice taste, or sweeten you up, widen, not this, but this, and fy, classify, mystify, to make something in that style, simplify, classify, mystify, oh. And IZE, to give it some energy, energize, immunize, minimize, make it as small as possible, immunize, or maximize. Make it as big as possible. Maximize to its fullest. Yes. And they have nouns. ACY, conspiracy, diplomacy, literacy. Conspiracy. Diplomacy. Diplomacy. Or literacy. 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 Yeah. Then we have AL. Accusal. Betrayal. Denial. Accuse. Betrayal. Denial. No. No. And ants or ents. Competence. Competence. Defiance. Not doing as you're told. Defying. Dominance. Dominance. Yeah. Controlling something. An ant or ent. Accountant. The person you go talk to your taxes about and finances. Accountant. Defendant. Student. Student. You're a student. I'm a teacher. But defendant. Going on the defensive. Attacking and defending. Defendant. Ism. Capitalism. Modernism. Realism. Fascism. Like this ideology behind it. Ist. Fascist. Communist. Pianist. Pessimist. Well, not gonna happen. No way. Optimist. Yes. It will happen. Yes. Yes. It will happen. ITY and TY. Equality. Royalty. And society. Society. Yeah. And meant. Employment. Working for someone. Entertain. Entertainment. Govern. Government. Employment. Working for someone. Entertainment. Entertainment. Yeah. And government. Government. Freedom. Freedom. Kingdom. Wisdom. Wisdom. Yes. Wisdom. Yeah. ER or OR. Generate. Generator. Sing. Singer. Write. Writer. I wrote a book. Are you a writer? Ness. Happy. Happiness. Sad. Sadness. In the style of sick. Sickness. It's a sickness of the heart. Shun and tun. Appreciation. Appreciation. Collision. Bang. Bang. Collision. They're going to collide. Infection. Infection. You get a cut and bacteria gets into it. Infect. Infection. Yeah, not what you want. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. 36 suffixes. Just for you. How cool is that? How cool is that? However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.